English Grade 3 Lesson 16. Learn this. Brown leaves. A round leaf. Small leaves. A big leaf. A wavy leaf. Read and complete blanks from the given words. Feel. Taste. See. Hear. Smell. I wet grass. I the bright sun. I the bird singing. I the flowers. I a cup of tea. Answers. I feel wet grass. I see the bright sun. I hear bird singing. I smell the flowers. I taste a cup of tea. Name the images. Name the images. Answers. What do you see in the sky? Blue sky, black sky, stars, clouds, sun, moon, bats, eagles, owls, rainbow, aeroplanes, kites. Day, night. Answers. Meaning. It is a bird. It has big eyes. It comes out at night. What is it? It has 7 colors. It is in the sky. What is it? It can fly. It has a tail. But it is not an animal. What is it? It is in the sky. We see it in the night. What is it? Meaning.